another vid. Subscribe to OY5. This is his channel right now. We have the Gyarados pack right now. It has good, Gyarados. It has the graphics are good.
Yeah, let's check this card right now. It is Gyarados. It is a basic card. Does 130 damage. The moves are wait, let me check. Moves are Berserker Splash,
80 damage, Aqua Tail, 90 plus. That's 180.
That isn't pretty much 180 because it says flip a coin for each water energy attached to this Pokemon attack does 30 more damage for each heads.
Okay.
So that means it does a lot of damage, and there's actually some cards right here that you're gonna do.
Which one should we do?
We're gonna do Gyarados.
Okay, Gyarados.
Okay.
Let's see this.
Then we're gonna review my 10.
It's not really new.
Not really new.
Okay.
This is the
Here
back.
We go, guys.
First, this is the back of it. Okay. So it's gonna be
card trick right here. Here's the card.
Then four to the back.
Okay, ready.
And then put it into the front. Okay,
shoulder. We got shoulder.
We
got bronzy.
Drowsy.
Spritzy,
I think.
Team pole. I don't know.
We don't know how to pronounce it. Clefairy.
Okay.
Britzel. Meowstic. Trainer. Potion. Politoad.
And
Lixo.
not really good luck, I guess.
So let's put those to the side right here. Okay.
Next pack is
a X and Y Pokemon card.
Here we go. We got the digit. Oh, let's show the code.
The code.
Here.
Wait, before you do anything, let's show the card. Let's show the codes for this. Let's see all the
other codes.
Okay.
Here, guys. If you want to copy it, we're not gonna copy it.
Here's a code for the trading card game. This code and this code. Okay.
Okay, right. Here we go, guys.
Wait, but we're gonna.
I just saw something good.
Okay. Here. First pack.
Okay.
Second pack.
Diglett. I don't know.
Minchino.
Spoincoin. You're trash.
Coughing.
Mm-hmm.
Cottony.
Charles Tower.
Your Charles Tower. You know what I'm saying?
Oh!
Okay. Let's see what we got. Alakazam EX, people. This is, I don't really know what kind of card this is. Doesn't do any damage at all.
I know.
But still, let's put it to the good.
We got something good, guys.
Let's put it to the good.
Over here. It was so weird. How isn't it supposed to be back here?
Yeah, okay.
Trainer's Cup.
Okay. Oldmore. Fossil Pokemon. Okay, and then this is Trainer. Okay.
Last pack, guys.
Okay,
get luck.
The last pack.
Can we get luck?
Here, here's the other stacks. There are 2 stacks right now. We're gonna sort them up. You know, just put them in one just big whole deck right here. My sister's actually playing just watching something on YouTube.
Here. Guys, code.
Oh yeah, the code. If you wanna do it, Pokemon the trainer thing. Here it is, the code.
I just beat a Nixon for some reason. Deerling.
Okay.
Deerling.
Deerling.
Put that with a Nixon.
Okay.
Rylu. Snubbull. Vin Echo. Bronzo. Lavatar. 150 level.
Tyranitar. This is a really good card. Let's put it to the side right here with Alakazam. Nice card.
Yeah, a trainer. This is what Nixon's have. You got that too? You
Yeah,
don't
okay.
got that. Ready?
Okay, that's good. So that means okay. We're gonna put them all together, and then these final cards.
The final card. These are old cards, guys. I just put it.
These are all cards. Okay, Gloomy, Cloister, a Energy Shadow. No, I'm Dark. Inkay, and